You ready?
Yes, do not skip this.
No problem. Don't worry, you will be look cool after this. Yes. What is your name?
Ryan.
Where are you from?
Friends.
Nice, nice. You was born in France? How old are you now?
10.
What are you gonna do when you getting old?
Architect.
So you will make house, building.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good money.
Mhm.
You will be rich. So do you learn architect now?
Little.
Now most of younger like hair like you. Okay. We put this product a little bit. Takram pomade. This pomade is from Aceh for make your hair a little bit wet. You look fresh. Okay? You can smile. Good. So you don't need to put perfume. You have perfume on your hair. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Nice.